Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Christian Club with the latest updates. In this video I am going to show you how we can fix the magnetic door lock a simple and easiest way. I am going to show you how we can open the magnetic door lock. Some people they don't know, actually they don't know how we can open the screw of the magnetic door, and then sometimes they stuck. Even I am stuck how we can open the magnetic door lock, the screw, and then how we can put the connections, all everything. So in this video you can learn how we can open the magnetic door lock, and then we fix the door lock, all everything you can get in this video. Before we start, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's go to our topic and continue. As you can see, this one is magnetic door lock. This one we fix in the glass door, and then this one in the door. So as you can see, very simple way. If you think like that, very simple and easy to fix, but it's not simple to fix, because we open the screw, we open this screw, but still we need to open something to put this holder for to holding this one. So all everything I am going to show you in this video. And this one is the holder in the door we fix, and then after it will work like that. Once the supply come in, this one is automatic create the magnet, and then this one is the iron bar stuck with the magnetic bar. So I let you show how we open, then what is the actual here the screws to need to open, the proper screws to take out this one. Then as you can see, some of the holders like this, like that, if we put the sliding like this, and then some of the holders become like that. So it's depend on your choice, depend on your door, how you are going to fix this like this lock, magnetic door lock. So this holder is different kind holder, and then this one is the slightly straight holder. So it's depend on your choice, but the both choices you can, how you can open, it's all same. So how this holder is holding, all you can see in this video. So before we start we must have the flip screwdriver, and then Allen key. We choose the different sizes if we have the Allen key box. So I choose this one. It's depend on the magnetic door lock, it's big or small, you can choose, but you must have the Allen key set to open this one. So we open first the screw, connection screw. So this one is for the connections. Then now what we need to do, as you can see this one, there is Allen key hole, and then one more other side also got Allen key hole. So normally this one is hidden with the cover, and then some people they don't know what screw how they can open. Actually this one is the lock for the cover, and then other Allen key. We open first this one. So once we open ready this one, what we need to do, we twist, and then you can see here the downstairs also got Allen key. So this one is separate. So this bar, iron bar, we need to fix on the top door. So holding this magnetic bar. So this one is actually holder. We fix first the all this screw, and then after that we fix this one with the Allen key screw. So this one is the main bar to fix this one. Now we go to the door, and then we fix how. I run the cable, and then we see how. We fix already this one. As you can see, I just tightened the screw. Then we pull already the cable 12 volt. We pull already. Now we fix the lock. So this one is magnetic lock. You can see the connections, all everything. So here you can see the Allen key. So these two Allen key screw holding here. So we need to tight this two screw for the holding this magnetic lock. We tight first. So now we fix ready already. As you can see, now we need to put the connection. Here is minus, here is plus, here is plus, here is minus. So we pull already the cables all. We connection first. This one is remote sensor. We can open the door with the remote. And then this one is the 12 volt charger. So what we do, we take from remote one cable for the supply, give directly to the door, and then the minus all we joint, then the plus we give one side door we give here with the 12 volt charger, then one we give together this one sensor. So once we press the remote button, it will open, and then manually this one is the one is door manually. So manually also we can open the door by pressing the switch. So I connection first and then show you how. Okay friends, so hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.